the buzzer. Up for sale, 1969 Corvette. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 69 Corvette finishes factory original and correct color combination. Lemans blue with bright blue interior. It has been frame off restored. It's powered by its 350 horsepower number matching motor, and it's M20 4-speed number matching. I have pictures of the serial numbers on both. They will be on the ad, as well as a trim tag showing that it is a Lemans blue, bright blue interior car. So of course, go around it, tell you everything I know about it, point out anything that I see, which will not be that much, and then drive it. So of course, starting here in the front on the bumper. See two little marks on the bumper, but the condition of the bumper that you see is gorgeous. The fitment in the front end, as well as the cleanliness, is excellent. It's without a doubt, its previous owner of 10 years took amazing care of it, and you'll see that. Fitment of the headlight doors, fitment of the hood, fitment of the vents, the doors to the fender, doors to the quarter, the T-tops all fit up excellent, and the finish all the way around the car and the door jam, stuff like that, is beautiful. So let's just, I guess, go like that. The shine of the paint, excuse me, the condition of the paint, without a doubt, the nicest C3 I've had. And of course, being a 350 horsepower car, very desirable with the 4-speed and both being number matching, and nicely credentialed as well. So let's go ahead, pop it open. There's your 350 horsepower. Very clean in here, very nice looking. It's got a different ignition system, so there's no shielding on it. Now, if you wanted to buy shielding and put the shielding on, maybe it might not fit though, because the distributors are a little bit different, but that adds to better performance. Something interesting I want to point out here, looks like a bracket for a emissions or a smog pump. Maybe it was a California car back in the day, and by the looks of the frame, I definitely believe it, but I don't have paperwork showing that. Underhood, excellent on it. It's got a Holley carburetor on it. And you get down there, you see all that. Looks very nice. There's your power steering pump down there. And yeah, your wiper system works. It functions. This opens, wipers, woo-woo. There you go. Headlight doors open and close as they should. And down the side of the car we go. Even the tires have tire shine on them. This was from the guy that we got it from, so I guess you could say really took care of the car. Because I don't use tire shine, because I don't know, I just don't do it. And the trim rings, hubcaps, the rim, very nice condition. So we have, again, even that, very nice. Your lower molding down there, no stone chips. Again, that would be very common to see, but it doesn't have any. Your little gills look great. Here's one of the very few blemishes on the car, just a little crack in the paint corner of the door. I have another one on the other side that matches that, so it must be, something with that corner of the door, probably common. But again, on Corvette, something that you always see is a little bit of sagging, front end maybe sagging, maybe the door sagging. This fits perfect. And all the fitment down below is perfect as well as to this. Again, something that's always a little harder to line up. Very common area, couple very faint, minute stone chips right on that edge. Again, susceptible because it sits out a little bit. And it's coming back. So most cars that do see the road, that is going to happen. No cracks in the glass. Even excellent trim there like that. Let's go on in. I don't want to spend too much time because we're going to be driving it. Look at how beautiful the finish is in there, all the way down into the corner. Without a doubt, the nicest door jamb on a C3 I've had, probably even a C2. Definitely a C1. This molding is in excellent condition, and look at the finish here. Look at the nice, beautiful paint all the way down there into the bottom. Interior, pretty much just as nice as the top of the car. Does not show much usage. Seats, firm. Don't even look to be pressed down, as you see there. Seat belts, of course. No rips on the seat. You got this little pad underneath it. If I can, well, what you can see, not cracked up. Power window switches. Blue carpet, which is very clean, with carpet mats that are also very clean. Excellent dash, no cracks down here. Your gauges are very nice. Little pouch over there is excellent as well. The odometer I noticed shows 82.39. Could be original, I'm not entirely sure. But the condition of the body, the underneath, I don't know, but who knows. There you go, 4-speed with the 350 horsepower badge. Pretty cool to see. The buzzer works. I took the key out for everybody's sanity. So give me a second. I gotta go grab the key. I left it on my desk, and I'll show you that that does work. Hold on, I grabbed the key. So let's show you the buzzer. 1 second. Why did I put it away? There you go. Ta-da. Again, like I said, for everybody's sanity, I took it out. Also, my phone's shaking. I got a 69 Corvette manual. Goes with the car. Even here, you can see how the super shiny chrome reflects on the paint. Sweet. Even like the chrome around where the license plate goes, that's in excellent condition too. Normally, sometimes that's a little older. Has a little bit pitting. This one's excellent. So I mean, there you go. Look at that. Again, excellent fitment down here, all the way up. I see one miniature little pencil tip size mark there from the other side. And then let me look at this here. Looks like a little something right on that black molding down there. You see a little strip right there. Rest of it's excellent, like the other side. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. If you want to check it out, let us know. And actually, let me show you the back here. They put a couple speakers back there, tastefully done, but the back here is nicely finished, nice clean carpet with the straps for the T-tops, which is super cool. Moving over here, and again, I said it, the same side has just a little mark, even smaller than the one. Fitment excellent, the way you want it to be. Zoom back in. There we go. All right, we are getting to that point of the video. We're gonna fire it up and then drive it. Thank you. Close the door. Okay.
day.
Hello.
Good day. Open your window just to have. Tell you a funny story after you finish.
Yeah. What's the funny story? Oh, you should tell me later. Is that the funny story? Is that coming to us? No, I'm kidding. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a sign they gotta go. Look at the mulch.
Oh, the mulch turned out nice.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
400 worth of mulch.
You can answer it. Answer it. Yeah, who cares?
No, it's okay. I'll call her back. She's a pest. I'm taking her to El Royo. You get a big salad and she's gonna get her
She's a-
gnocchi.
That's funny. That's got tilt, by the way.
Tilt and telescoping.
It is telescoping?
Yeah.
I don't think it's telescoping. Oh, wow. Oh, you saw it here.
You didn't know that?
No.
You see that handle? That's what that's for.
Oh, I didn't even notice it.
And look at the oil gauge, bro. Is that side pipes?
It'd be just like that one you got, that 3-owner car from New Jersey with the original paint.
Ambulance coming. Gotta get out of here.
The ambulance. Your turn signal's on. Your turn signal's on, I can hear it. I know you got bad hearing.